Bienvenido a casa. That's how the Spanish welcome their loved ones home. The timeless homes of Spain are known for their captivating architecture with red tiled roofs, expansive courtyards, and curved parapets. Presenting Shoba Galera, luxury row houses with arched entrances, ornamental grills, and sloped roofs with terracotta tiles. Hola, welcome to Shoba Galera, a Spanish-themed gated community near Kannamangala. Let's take a detailed walkthrough of this charming triplex show residence. This arched doorway is 8 feet tall and a solid 45 mm thick. Precision-fit silicone seal reduces noise and dust and prevents entry of insects. The well-engineered door prevents deformation due to moisture or heat. Wow, the entrance is so grand. The double-height living room seamlessly extends into the private courtyard and spacious dining area. The open-to-sky courtyard is designed to let in plenty of fresh air and natural light on all the floors. This space is so beautiful. I can see the intricate Spanish architectural features, arches, brick textured wall, Spanish-style flooring. You can use the courtyard for morning meditation, al fresco lunches, weekend reading, and so much more. The courtyard is accessible from 3 sides: the living room, the passage, and the dining area. The walls are very smooth. Shoba performs 8 layers of wall finishing. The dining area and kitchen have direct access to the private garden. Hosting weekend parties will be a breeze. You can also grow organic greens here. The wet kitchen is designed thoughtfully and has an attached utility and storage area. There's a lot of space to accommodate your dishwasher, washing machine, sink, and other appliances. Right next to the dining area is a powder room. So convenient. Coming back to the entrance, the large foyer has a lot of storage space. This versatile bedroom can be used as a home office or a guest room. It has an attached bathroom too. There's an alcove on the ground floor where you can relax with a nice book or a cuppa. Now let's ascend to the first floor. See these motifs on the stairs? Spanish theme everywhere. Before we reach the first floor, let's see the DH bedroom with the attached bathroom. This is located separately from the entire first floor. The corridor is just like the Spaniards, very welcoming. Thanks to the courtyard, you can get warm sunlight and cool breeze through these large windows. The spacious prayer room is located right here. In this area, there is provision to install a home elevator, which can be helpful for seniors or guests. Now, let's explore the master bedroom. Wow, this room truly belongs to the masters of this palatial house. There is space for a large walk-in wardrobe. You can indulge yourself in this well-designed bathroom. The private balcony offers scenic views of the tree-lined avenue. Across the corridor is the kids' bedroom. The little ones will enjoy natural light and fresh air from your private garden. Let's move to the second floor. Amazing! This is the heart of your home, the ultra-spacious family room. You can spend quality time with your loved ones here. Catch up with the kids, watch movies, or even host a party with close friends. Whether you host a party on the terrace or in the family room, the pantry right there will be quite helpful. So thoughtful of Shoba to have planned it on this floor. There's a surprise for you here, the hobby room. Everything that you've always wanted to master is right here. Unleash your talents in this space, learn musical instruments, or enjoy high-intensity workouts. The second floor also has a large bedroom with an attached bathroom and views of your lush garden. This terrace is huge. Set up a spot for yoga here, nurture your gardening skills there, or just relax under the stars. There's a long list of things that you can do on this terrace.
That concludes our walkthrough of Shobha Galera, a Spanish-inspired haven near Kannamangala.
Visit Shobha Galera Marketing Office near Whitefield and take a guided tour of the Triplik Show residence. Call 080-4646-4500. Gracias for joining us.